In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Audible membership on the website, Android, and iPhone. Before you cancel, make sure to use your Audible credits first. Any unused credits will be lost when you cancel your membership. Let's start. How to cancel Audible membership on Audible website. If you're using a computer, go to the Audible website and sign in. Hover over your name in the top right corner. Click Membership Details. Here you'll see your current membership plan, next billing date, and membership benefits. To cancel, click Cancel Membership and follow the on-screen instructions. If you're on a monthly plan, you may also see a Pause Membership option, which lets you pause your membership for up to 90 days instead of canceling. How to cancel Audible membership on Android app. Open the Audible app on your Android device. Tap Profile at the bottom. Tap Membership. Tap Manage next to your membership plan. From here, you can switch to a different membership plan or tap Cancel Membership. Review your membership details, then tap Cancel Membership again, and follow the remaining steps to confirm. How to cancel Audible membership on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone, you'll need to use a web browser. Open the Audible website and sign in by tapping the menu icon. Tap the menu icon again. Tap your account name. Select membership details. Tap Cancel Membership and follow the prompts. How to cancel Audible membership. Billed through Apple or Google. If you subscribe through Apple or Google, you'll need to cancel through the App Store or Google Play Store. To cancel Audible subscription through App Store, open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your name. Select Subscriptions. Tap Audible. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm. To cancel Audible subscription through the Play Store, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture. Select Payments and Subscriptions. Tap Subscriptions. Choose Audible from the list. Tap Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts. Once your membership is canceled, Audible will send you a confirmation email. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more Audible tips and tutorials.